But it has been so hard to pay these credit cards off. They were maxed out with all the things that I was buying. That's why I was so ashamed to like show you guys, because I just spent so much money. It was insane. Sometimes you just gotta buy the things.
Where are we going? To where the money grows.
Okay, let's get right into it. So of course, here is my Notion template. This is where I track all of my spending. So I already paid my mortgage. And so if we scroll down here, we can see, if we look at my income, right here, the cute little dog, so cute. This is my checking account. So there's a balance in there of $806.71. And so I got paid. This was actually my last paycheck. I'm not sure if you watched the Storytime. It was kind of juicy. Ultimately, I'm not working for the company I was working for. I moved on to bigger and better things. Alrighty, my last paycheck was $1,163.32. So right here, right, it's pending. So once I change this to posted, it updates. So my checking has a balance now of $1,970.03. So I already went in and I reconciled my credit card. And so what I mean by that is to just see how much my balance has either increased or decreased since the last time that I looked at my credit card. It went up $580.56, right? This is the auto pay tab. This is gonna show on this auto pay account. So we're gonna switch it from pending to posted. And now the auto pay balance just went up to $752.21. And what I'm planning to pay is $752.21. So we're gonna go from pending to posted, $0, right? Because now this is a credit, it's a payment that I'm making from the money that I made. Then we have the fun credit card. So the fun credit card, since the last time I looked at it, it looks like I spent $287.34. Again, I spent this money, so this is a debit because I owe it. I'm gonna switch this from pending to posted, and now the fund went up. So now there's a balance of $1,252.70. I'm gonna make a payment, so that's gonna be a credit. I'm gonna make a payment of $1,217. So I'm gonna switch it from pending to posted. Now, after I make that payment, I'll have a balance in that credit card of $35.70. So anyways, right here in the checking tab, this is where I'm going to remove it, right? Remove the payments from my checking account to the credit cards, right? So you can see here, this is a payment from my checking account. It's a debit, and this is gonna go to the auto pay credit card. So it's pending right now. Oh, and let me switch here. If you go to income, you can see my checking account. So it's pending. If we switch it to posted, it deducts. So now there's a balance in my checking. Once I make that payment, there's gonna be a balance in my checking of $1,217.82. And then again, with the fund credit card, once I post that payment from pending to posted, there'll be a balance in my checking of 82 cents. And I'm okay with that. Again, just to recap, 82 cents in my checking, that's fine. But when it comes to my credit cards, they're almost paid off. So the auto pay credit card is $0, that's great. And then the fund credit card is down to, it has a balance of $35.70. So next week, whenever I get paid again, I will pay off that $35, pay off any new payments that have come, you know, into the auto pay credit card, and then the rest of that money is going to go to my car loan, because as of right now it has a balance of $7,542.21. All right, and if we look at my overview, cool, 20,000. So I only owe 20,000, which is amazing, because the last time we did a wallet check, I owed 22,000. So I got it down 2,000, even though I just spent so much money. But anyways, this is where we are now. We're making progress. It was really slow, again, just because of the holiday season, but I'm just really excited about this new opportunity that I've taken on, and just really looking forward to paying off my debt as soon as possible.
Mommy, you got this.
If you found this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe. And if you're interested in the template, there's a link down below in the description. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you next time. Bye.